Playful Mind Company, which specializes in character merchandise design, manufacturing, and sales, has opened pre-orders for tablet PC cases and ticket holders inspired by the TV anime days. Series protagonist Tsukamoto Tsukushi is just a beginner when it comes to soccer. He doesn't seem to be making much progress, but together with his teammates at a prestigious high school, he's giving it his all in the authentic high school soccer-themed manga days. Tsukushi's earnestness has earned him a lot of fans, and now you can enjoy some all-new merchandise featuring memorable scenes from the guy's exciting times. Do not miss your chance to see these. Tablet PC case highlights full color print on smooth to the tough synthetic leather. Convenient stand function. Comes in two sizes, M and L dimensions, approximately M 215 by 146 by 13 mm, 300 by 146 mm when open. Fits tablets 5.7-8 L 280 by 190 by 13 mm. 388 by 190 mm when open. Fits tablets 8.1-10.1. Ticket holder highlights. Synthetic leather ticket holder. Take all those difficult to carry tickets around with you in style. Comes with a strap plus transparent back so you can check your tickets on the move. Dimensions, approximately 205 by 90 mm. Product site source, Dream News.